We are now walking over to the new Carrier heat pump. Hear it running. Let's get over here. Alright. Here is the brand new, or not brand new, but a new 2018 Carrier 2-ton heat pump. Yep, it's a heat pump. I was making sure it was a heat pump. It's got 2 blades. Just feel the suction line. It's nice and cold and sweaty. It is a little bit loud. It was a lot louder in the winter. Yeah. Suction line is warm but not hot. Okay. Here's the data sheet. R410A, 2-ton from 2018. This was actually installed this year, but it was made back in 2018, so yeah. 1415 SEER base model unit. And yeah. Carrier logo, disconnect box, and yeah, there's not really much anything else to say, so out. Alright, I was going to stop the video there, but I figured just film the other ACs, because why not? Here's a drip line for the sprinkler system, but yeah, here's the Lennox Elite series. Compressors down in here. 3 blades, 2003, 3.5 ton, 12 SEER, it looks like. Most likely 12 SEER, because this is not their Merit series. Yeah, here is the Lennox 2003 Lennox 3.5 ton heat pump. Alright. And we have a third AC unit running, and is the other one running? Yep. All 4 of the AC units at our house are running. This one has 4 blades and is a 1.5 ton, also from 2003. R22. Yeah, Lennox Elite series. Here's the infamous 1975 unit. Also 4 blades, a very similar design of that unit, and for tonnage, I would say, I can't, the data sheet's worn off, but for tonnage, I'd most likely say a 2.5 or 3 ton for this unit. Suction line is nice and sweaty back there, and yeah. All 4 of the AC units running at our house. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.